Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Swast Rehne Ke Nuske. The topic for today's video is fruits that should be avoided during first trimester of pregnancy. Though fruits are healthy and mostly recommended, some fruits are just not pregnant woman friendly. If precautions are not taken while consuming them, they can cause vaginal bleeding and in worst cases, miscarriage as well. Don't forget to subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button above this video. Why is the first trimester of pregnancy so important? A healthy first trimester is crucial to the normal development of the fetus. The mother-to-be may not be showing much on the outside, but inside her body all the major body organs and systems of the fetus are forming. As the embryo implants itself into the uterine wall, several developments take place. Making healthful food choices is crucial for women when they are pregnant. Their diet will provide the fetus with the nutrients essential for growth and development. Most people are aware that a healthful diet should include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthful fats. However, they may not realize that some fruits should be avoided during the first trimester. Now let's discuss about the fruits that a pregnant lady should avoid during the first trimester. Number 1. Papaya. It tops the list for obvious reasons. Raw or semi-ripe papaya contains latex which can induce premature contractions and that can be dangerous for your baby. However, ripe papaya is rich in vitamins and iron. Consuming it in controlled quantity will possess no harm, but totally avoid eating an unripe papaya during pregnancy. Number 2. Grapes. Grapes are often sprayed with pesticide which aren't easily washed away. These pesticides may contribute to health complications in the fetus. Grapes may also cause constipation as its skin is difficult to digest. Number 3. Bananas. You might be surprised to see this humble fruit on this list of fruits to avoid during pregnancy. Although eating bananas during pregnancy is considered safe, they should be avoided in certain cases. Women who suffer from allergies and women who have diabetes or gestational diabetes are advised against eating bananas. Bananas contain chitinase, a latex-like substance that is a known allergen. It also increases body heat. So women who are allergic to chitinase should not consume bananas. Bananas also have a good amount of sugar in them, so diabetic people should avoid eating bananas at all cost. Number 4. Watermelon. Eating watermelon during pregnancy may expose the baby to the various toxins that the watermelon flushes out. This fruit is usually good for the health of a pregnant woman, but it can have certain undesirable effects. If consumed in excess, the sugar content in it may raise your blood glucose levels. Sometimes, the diuretic properties of watermelons can even flush out the essential nutrients along with toxins from your body. Besides, it is a cold-inducing food, which is why it is suggested to avoid it while pregnant. Also remember, unwashed fruits are not fit for consumption whether you are pregnant or not. However, they are especially risky for pregnant women. The soil particles on fruits and vegetables can harbor bacteria such as toxoplasma, which makes infection possible for both the mother and baby. Always wash your fruits properly, ensuring that they are completely free of soil particles before eating them. If you have already eaten or drunk something that you are advised to avoid, try not to panic. If it did not make you ill at the time, it is unlikely to have affected you or your baby. Talk to your doctor if you are worried. Thanks for watching. Note: the video content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. The content and information in this video is for general informational purposes only and is not intended as, nor should it be considered a substitute for, professional medical advice. Do not use the information provided in this video for diagnosing or treating any medical or health condition. If you have or suspect you have a medical problem, promptly contact your professional licensed doctor. If you found this video useful and want to discover more amazing secrets about living your best life, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button above this video. Thank you.